What's up, traders? Live right now. Tesla getting squeezed. This is going nuts. Tesla just beat earnings. Just wanted to do a quick video to show you guys why, how this is getting squeezed right now and why you never want to hold through earnings. Well, the shorts again are getting squeezed, you guys. I have my alert since 692 for the Tesla 700, maybe possibly tomorrow. It's earnings season, you guys, this week, so be careful. Microsoft just had good earnings right now. It reached the high of, right now it's testing 173. Facebook didn't have too good earnings. Facebook had earnings of not too bad, 2.56 per share, but still under analyst estimates, you know what I'm saying? So we're at 207.50 after hours on earnings. Who else had earnings? These guys will have earnings pretty soon. Boeing will have earnings pretty soon, you guys. AMD had earnings yesterday, not too good. They dropped from $50 to $47 today. NIO's reacting right now. I see a sympathy play to Tesla, you guys. NIO's reacting, following Tesla. Reached a high right now, 449. Let me go back to Tesla. I just want to see if this thing has a higher high real fast. So let's see, you guys. Let's see if it comes back down. More buyers coming in at 650. They're coming in, you guys, at 650. They're trying to hold the 650 area. This is Tesla's second straight quarterly profit, you guys. Alright, let's see the Tesla 649. Let's see if they hold it above 650, you guys. Tesla's crazy, you guys. NIO's going crazy right now. Microsoft, man, it's been having a crazy year. Microsoft's been having a crazy year, you guys. Let me show you Microsoft's daily. This is a stock where you don't want to short. Look at this beautiful trend on Microsoft, you guys. Right now it's like at 173, so we'll see where it opens tomorrow. If we get back, I got an alert at 175. I might cancel it, you guys, because I don't short good earnings. So I'm gonna let this play out for a few days. See if we can get to the top of my channel right here. That's gonna be around 190, 192. Let's go check on Tesla, you guys. Tesla's taking a little plunge right now, 647. You gotta think, you guys, a lot of this is a short squeeze, plus good earnings, plus a lot of investors. I know a lot of hedge funds got squeezed right here. Look at that little crazy squeeze right now. This is where a lot of shorts were in pain, you guys. This is the bigger trend line. So as soon as it got over this, with the flag pattern right here, with good earnings, with the good times and sales, a lot of shorts covered, panicked right here into the spike. Let's see if this is a bear trap. Here's 645. Very risky play, you guys, right now. Let's see where it settles out at. Tesla had good earnings, you guys. I'm gonna go back to trading probably next month, you guys. Got a lot of stuff to do this month. A couple more days. I've been watching. Looks like we're gonna break that area again. This is my bigger trend line, you guys. So this is why we had a little if you go back to the daily. Now I always get a lot of questions on Facebook, like about people like I was telling me to use MTFA, which stands for multiple time frame analysis. So on the bigger chart, you see this white line? That's like the bigger trend line. That's like the stronger trend line. They're like the strongest so far. So that's why on this right here, on the minute chart, look at, even with good earnings, it couldn't really get past this trend line. But the thing is, if it does get past this trend line, there's going to be way more shorts underwater. And that's going to cause another reaction, another little short squeeze, plus more buyers buying a new high. So right now, the short's ultimate job is to keep it below this high, 659. If we get 660, that's not going to be good for the shorts. It's going to be good for the longs. Then we could get another squeeze up to maybe 670, 675. We'll see if this tests 700 soon. This was, I remember talking about this a couple weeks ago, where it was telling you guys it was 500 was a good dip buy. Barron's just said this is or somebody said yesterday this is like $1,000 stock soon. They said it's a $600 stocks. They have pre-orders. They have a lot of pre-orders in Tesla. See, the estimated was $1.72 per share, and they got $2.14 per share. So they killed their earnings, you guys. They had really good earnings. Tesla's not a stock like you really want to short. You get lucky here and there with these couple day pullbacks, but a lot of traders, even hedge funds and prop firms and stuff, lost their accounts blowing up. If you go to CNBC and look up all the old videos about all the hedge funds that used to were bearish on Tesla, you'll see how many of them blew up their accounts and their clients' money too. Right now we're under the 9. Let's see if this resistance holds up. Getting a flag pattern so far right here, you guys. Here's a decent flag pattern. I know there's going to be traders who's going to recognize this flag. $647, $648. Buyer stepping it back up again, you guys. Look at the volume, you guys, after hours. This is crazy. Let's see. Let's check it out. Got the news just in case, you guys. They might get a estimate upgrade. I think they might get a couple upgrades tomorrow. All right, let's see if they stay under resistance. It might crack back. If it cracks below this trend, our next support is probably the 636, 640 area, 635 area. Let's see. Right now, it looks like the flag pattern is going to work. Let's see. Volume steps up, you guys. Right now, for the flag, you're gonna want a good amount of green volume, like even bigger than this, really, because when we had this, it couldn't really break it. So you want the volume right now to go over here in the green. If you're long. If you're short, you probably want the opposite. But let's see. You got buyers at 647. Turn off this heater, you guys. I don't know if the volume's good on this. The volume was on like 20 something. So my fault if the volume's bad in the first beginning. Here we go. Here's a test. What I was saying, you guys, I don't know if you heard me, but that white line is the bigger trend line, like the bigger resistance on the daily. If we get above here and above here, there's gonna be a lot of shorts underwater, and we got a nice flag pattern right here. So let's see what happens right here, you guys. Looks like it's gonna squeeze. Let's see if Tesla gives us a new high right here. Bidders got to step it up for the longs. What I was saying, you guys, is you really want to see volume get up to at least to this level in the green for another quick spike, because even when it got up to here, we couldn't get past through 660. So you want to see volume past this red line that I drew. Right now, we're almost there, you guys. Flag pattern's coming. Watch for the volume to come. I wouldn't buy this right here. This is kind of chasing right here. We're just watching it, you guys. Learn from it. Let's see if we break that resistance, if we get a higher high or not. If they could get past 660, we could get another little squeeze, because there's going to be a lot of shorts who shorted this candle right here that are going to be underwater. So what they might start doing, a few of them might add, but you're going to see some of them might panic past this line right here. Past this line right here. So far, looking good. It could fail, could go back to crack this trend, but so far so good. We got some buyers still trying to take it up there. Watch the volume, you guys. Level 2 is looking okay. Look at this buy right here. Keep pushing. He keep pushing it up. Where's it? Where did he go? There he goes. 654. They're trying to take it. Their target's going to be a new high, you guys, right now. The last couple videos I've been doing, I don't know, they've been cutting off early. I don't know. Here we go. Big attack right here. Wow. See how quick that moved? $4, you guys, from 655 to 650 in like 1 second. I tell you guys, this is a kind of risky play. Some people say I take risk, but I don't think I take risk. Here we go. Might break the trend. Let's see. Might have a double top right here. Little head and shoulders patterns forming. Let's see. Volume never came in for us yet. See these wicks? The sellers are attacking the top, you guys. So there's shorts right here, there's shorts right here, and there's shorts right here. So let's see. They're gonna keep attacking it. Because this could be a little overreaction right here. So they could take advantage of this. A lot of shorts lost a lot of money today. Look at this wick, you guys, right here. Let's see what happens. It's still holding the trend line on the 5 minute. On the 1 minute, it got right below the trend line, you guys. So let's see if they attack it. The bigger picture is still bullish, you guys. We got a lot of support in this area. Got a flag patterns. Still got a lot of support at 645. Got a lot of support in this area right here. Helped a lot of times, you guys, when they try to break it below. Just like how if we get above here, a lot of shorts will be underwater. If we get below here, a lot of longs will be underwater. So all the longs that took it over here for the breakout, they'll take the loss right there if they don't add on, or if they don't try to protect this area. Right now we're under the 9 EMA. We're under resistance. We got an engulfing candle right here. Got a huge resistance on the white. Let's see what happens. Could still be a fake out, you guys. Could still be a fake out. They're getting back above 650 so far. Let's look at it close. Look how quick that $2 is, you guys. Look how quick from 648 to 650. Not a lot of buyers are stepping up past 650 right now. Only got a few at 649. I still think this is gonna squeeze. I could be wrong, but The pattern setting up for a squeeze. I think we could get past the 660. If we don't, we're gonna see probably 30. But here we go. Here come the shorts covering. A few of them covering again. We got another decent little trend line, you guys. Forget this like flag pattern real fast, but there's a trend going this way too. Let's make that a different color. Let's see if it holds that trend. If it breaks this trend, it's going to be dangerous, you guys. If it breaks this yellow line, they're going to try to attack and take it down. And the support right here. Turn this phone off. Alright, 650 becoming resistance. Watch the times and sales, you guys. Watch the tape. Make sure there's no, if you guys are shorting right here, you don't want to see nothing going past 650. You could take that 650 or 649 and put your stop at break even. See if you could get at least 645, 644 out of them. If not, break even at the trend line right here. Watch the bidder, see if they hold it up. I don't like these zero guys. They always have hidden sides. There you go. They held it up again. Let's see what happens. Below the 9, below the trend. We have, I mean, the shorts have the 9 and the trend in their favor. The trend break. The longs have all the support right here, and we could possibly get an upgrade. So we're gonna keep the news up. They're forecasting to sell more than a half a million vehicles this year. That was 10 minutes ago, so that's probably where this little squeeze came in. Even the news, you guys couldn't get past this little resistance right here. So right now they got a double top. Let's see what happens. The shorts really got to get below 645. I don't think they're gonna do it. The longs might take this thing back above this trend. If they do take this thing above this trend again, like I said earlier, there's gonna be too many shorts underwater. This thing's gonna get another panic. So they gotta keep this thing below here, you guys, below this area. They have to keep it below here. So short's job is to keep selling right now. So we'll see if they keep selling. We don't have too many buyers on the bid, so looks like it's going to stay in this area for now. Let's see. I'm going to give it a couple minutes. Let's see if they get a squeeze or not, or they could get a panic. I'm going to check on Facebook, you guys, because I've been watching Facebook too. It's at 206. Back at 206. Just broke the 50 MA going down. We had a kind of a double bottom right here. Let's see if it turns into a triple bottom. We're gonna watch that. I don't think so. I think the next support is gonna be at 200 for Facebook, you guys. So we're gonna watch the 200 area. I have an alert at the 192 area. So if it does get to 200 and bounces, I'm gonna miss that. I don't really care, you guys. I try to get no FOMO. So if we have a couple tests at 192, which is a 200 MA and good support, I'll take that trade. But at 200, even if it does bounce, I'm gonna miss that trade. Because if it breaks 200, it's gonna go like few dollars really sharp, like. So I'm not gonna take that chance. I'm gonna check on Neo. Neo's back at 440. Neo's like a sympathy play right now with Tesla. So however Tesla's acting, it's gonna follow it. It's another Chinese car company, electric company. Let's see what else. Microsoft, you guys. Microsoft is 172.90 right now. So it's alright. This is gonna have, GameStop's gonna have earnings pretty soon. Where did it go? GME. Right here. I've been watching them, you guys. Oh, they had earnings, but their earnings, I think, is in a few days or something. I'm watching them. Possibly a $3 dip buy if it bounces off $3. If there's a like bad earnings, and I don't know, we're just gonna pass it. If it doesn't work at $3, I got another alert at $2. So we're gonna risk like 10 cents here and 10 cents here if it goes there. Tesla's still at 648. This thing closed at 580, you guys. So whoever shorted this thing overnight, no good. Right now we're setting up, you guys. See this little flag? Let me show you guys. Like, this is a little flag pattern. I don't know. I know like the experienced traders kind of see it. This is a little flag, right? So it's at the break of that flag, what happened, you guys? Breakout and break of resistance. We had a straight breakout, right? Now, let me fix this flag. We got another decent flag. The thing is, it's not going to work all the time. It's not going to work all the time. But technical analysis works, whatever, 60, 70, 80% of the time. So right now the flag could fail or the flag could hold up. So if you see that flag pattern, there's two flag patterns in here. I should probably make this a different color so you guys can see it. So what happens, you guys? A lot of longs, when the flags, like the pros, a lot of pros don't predict, they react, right? So you want to react. So when the flag like bounces, what happens? They buy or they cover, and a lot of other pros buy, and a lot of good traders buy, right? But if the flag fails, what they do, they go short because the flag failed. So and then sometimes they'll take a quick little dip. So right now, if the flag fails, let me make this a different color, you guys. But we're gonna see if they try to protect the corners. The flags, with flags, you gotta have patience, you guys. That's the thing with flags. If you're not a patient trader, flag patterns aren't for you. But sometimes you can lose big with flags because they can fail. So make sure you have your stop and your risk management all. You guys see it on the 5 minute? So it's kind of failing right here and it's kind of failing right here. So to see if the flag's going to fail or not, you want to watch the times and sales, and you want to watch slow to see if the buyers are going to try to hold it up there or not. This one looks like it might fail. Let's see. Look at the volume right here. Could be another bear trap, you guys. See that flag in my purple lines? I see my flag under there. It's like the exact pattern, you guys. This one's successful. Now we want to see if this one's successful. The thing is, it's already extended. So this was easier. This was easier to squeeze than this one, because this thing was like, it wasn't that extended. Right now it's a little more extended, so there's going to be more sellers up here. But if we do get past there, the more sellers thing is a good thing, because hopefully they'll cover and they'll create another little squeeze. So this squeeze here could become better than this squeeze if we can cross up here. A lot of breakout buyers will come in, a lot of short covers. will start coming. So this could be another squeeze if the flag keeps going. If the flag is successful. If the flag fails, wah, wah, wah. So hopefully if the flag fails, old resistance where it break out here will become new support. So if they take it down here, 630 will hold, and then they'll probably try to take it back up over there. It's still risky to me to either buy here or sell here because it's still kind of the middle, and I always tell you guys avoid the middle. Try to like sell high, buy low, and avoid the middle. You know what I'm saying? So right now we're at resistance 650. You guys, here's 650 coming in. Watch the bidders. Let's see if they push it above 649, 650 again. We have guys on the sidelines, but we don't have people sitting on the bid yet. Let's see. Here comes another flag test, you guys. Let's see if buyers come in. Right now you want to watch the volume. Right now you want to watch the volume. You want green volume. Like, I'm not saying we're trading this, but we're just learning off this. Pretend this is during the daytime. You want like green volume to come in, like a lot of buyers to a lot of buying pressure basically. You don't want red if you're long right here. So far, you guys got a flag pattern to you longs. You guys got the 9 below you. The problem is it is a little overextended and there is kind of a double top. So there is a chance it could triple top right here. There's still a chance it could triple top right here. Let's see. This little trend line could act as resistance right here. So their next target is going to be 660. Let's see if they get it there. If they can get above here, they'll get it there. If not, like I said earlier, here we go. Here's another flag, you guys. Watch the volume. Watch level 2s. They're still at 648. The guys on the sidelines are at 649 almost. Almost 650. Let's see. Pattern. Flag pattern. Let's see what happens. The reason this is gray, you guys, is because it's aftermarket. That's how Thinkorswim is. This part is daytime. This part is either it's aftermarket in gray. We're just chilling, watching if this flag breaks out or not. They got resistance above them, so we'll see. They're eating the top of the flag so far. They're eating this lineup. We got 1 wick, 2 wicks, 3 wicks, 4 wicks. We got a lower high. We got lower low, a little higher low right here. So let's see. On the 1 minute, it's still consolidating. Bidders are not stepping it up. So far this if there's no hidden buyers. Here we go. We got a few hidden buyers right here, 648. I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, what I missed. Bidders still at 647.50. There looks like there's a hidden guy in there at 648. He keeps popping in and popping out. Let's see if he tries to hold it. Let's watch the tip of this flag, you guys. Let's see if they fail it or if they crack it. Alright, the flag just failed. You're going to see a lot of sellers attack right now. Let's see. The longs better pray for hidden buyers to pop up right here. Or a lot of them, they're going to start taking profits too. Level 2 is not that strong. Volume's not that strong right now. Sellers are going to try to attack again. We got a hidden buyer right here. Let's see if he holds it. Not showing no size. That's the same guy from earlier, you guys. Sometimes there'll be guys waiting for a dip. You guys got to remember that. There'll be big hedge funds averaging in. So they're probably like not worried about like a minute chart or 2 minute chart. Sometimes they need to buy like 1 million shares and they get in like, they can't get in all at once, so they'll take them a week or two to get in. So they're probably averaging in for, maybe they want to hold this thing forever. You don't know. We don't know. Could be a week for them. It could be a lifetime investment for them. So far, you guys see these two flags. This flag's going to fail. Looks like it might fail. This is why you don't want to buy too much overextended flags when they're too overextended. This thing about this flag, you guys, if you pay attention, look how the volume came in. Like, let me zoom in. So you could, this is a huge lesson in volume. At the break of the flag, look at this, you guys. Always tell you guys, watch the volume. And look at what happened. If you jumped in on the break of this flag, I know we're talking in hindsight, but let's say you jumped in. You could have stayed in, you guys, all the way till like this candle. You had no reason to sell. Maybe you would have took a little right here. Maybe some people would have panicked right here. Took a little bit off, but that was a quick 20, 30 bucks, you guys. In profits per share. Right now, some sellers are coming in. They're not too strong, you guys. Not a lot of people want to short this so far. They still got the 9 above them. Here we go. Sometimes, you guys, it takes a minute for the news to spread. This thing might gap up tomorrow. You never know. A lot of people might come home from work, and a lot of investors might come home and put in their orders for tomorrow morning. So as soon as this thing opens, it might gap up. Or before the market, all the orders will be, there will be an imbalance between buyers and sellers. They just got above the 9. Let me fix my flag line, you guys. Sometimes it just takes a little adjusting, you guys. So we just play with it. Trading's not perfect, you guys. It's not like a perfect science. Just want to play with it and and see what happens. Most likely react to what happens. Have the plan before you even come to the computer, you guys. You don't want to make too many decisions while you're in it. You guys see me make some decisions while I'm in it, but I mostly have it planned out, my target areas. Before I get in and out of trades, I usually have it planned out. Not usually, like 99% of the time. I know my risk and I know my... There are days here and there, you know, where you like mess up, you break your rules, but so far I don't see too many bidders trying to buy it in this area. There's aftermarket still, you guys. I'm thinking we could still get a possible little squeeze. Let me check on the other stocks real fast. FB, Facebook is fighting for the 50 MA. They're fighting to take it back. Look at all the sellers that just came in. A lot of sellers just came in, probably risking this, you guys. Risking the 50 MA again. Let's see if they're gonna see tomorrow if buyers trying to hold it up. Right now, the bigger trend is kind of on a downtrend, so I don't know. I wouldn't buy it right here either. Microsoft still holding, you guys, still holding. Microsoft more of a long-term investment, good company. Where's Neo at? Still at 439. I made a lot on Neo and lost a lot on Neo this month, you guys. You guys ain't probably seen me. Neo is still squeezing. I do have alerts on Neo still. This is my sweet spot on Neo, you guys. Waiting for the sweet spot to kick in. See that oval right there? Let me maximize this real fast. This is the sweet spot, so I've been trying to be patient. Might never get there, but if it does get there, I got a hell of a trade. Hopefully, if it bounces off my little sweet spot right here. Got the 50 MA, got the 200 MA, got the trend line, got more support right here, got 50% retracement. So this is a really good sweet spot. If confirmation comes in with times and sales and volume, this is going to be my sweet spot on Neo. For a short area, if we get a rejection off this area right here around the $7 in the next couple days, my plans change, you guys. For me to take this, it has to happen quickly. It can't take like a week to get there, and it finally gets there and I take it. It has to have a quick panic. So yeah, let's go back to Tesla. Tesla's at 647. Doesn't look like it's gonna break 650 today, you guys. So pay attention to Tesla tomorrow. Be careful with this, you guys. I'm gonna get the hell up out of here. Still holding the flag. You guys can watch it on your own. I'm gonna be gone. Any questions, comments, you know what to do. I'll probably be back trading, you guys, in February, new month. And remember the motto: plan the trade, trade the plan. See you guys in the AM. Peace out.